Hello student, myself Amit Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel Amit Maths Classes. In this channel we provide you math classes for class 9th, 10th and all competitive exams. This video is just for introduction purpose and about a basic topic of mathematics, which is number system. First of all, my qualifications are BSc, B.Ed, MSc in Maths from University of Rajasthan, and CTET level 2nd and STET also level 2nd qualified. Now we are discussing about our topic number system, which is very useful for all the classes and all competitive exams. In this topic we are discussing about the numbers: rational number, irrational number, whole number, negative number, odd, even, prime, which is smallest prime number, and about many more of the number system. So without wasting any time, see on the board. Maths first step is digits, and digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From these digits we can create or make any number. The numbers are 0, 1, 2, 2 upon 3, under root 2. It means from the digits we can create any number like 0, 1, 2. There is an operation, divide operation, 2 upon 3, under root 2. These are numbers, and numbers are in two types. First is real number and second is imaginary number or complex number. Real number and complex number. Complex number are in form of iota, which is value is minus under root 1. These numbers are not in our syllabus. These numbers syllabus in 11th and 12th class. Now our topic is a real number, and real numbers also 2 upon 3, 3 upon 2, under root 2, 1, 2, 3, minus 3, and every number which is steady up now our topic is a real number: 2 upon 3, 3 upon 2, under root 2, 1, 2, 3, minus 4, and many more numbers are in real numbers. It means other than iota forms number are in real numbers, and real numbers has two parts. First is rational number and second is irrational number. Rational number are in P upon Q form. It means these are in numerator upon denominator forms, and where denominator is not equal to 0. It means 1, 2, 2 upon 3, 3 upon minus 3 upon 2, and many more to up to infinity tak. These are rational number, and irrational number which is not be right in the form of p upon q, just like every under root number which does not have any complete root, just like to root 2, root 3, root 4 is not possible just because it has a complete root which is 2, and 2 is a rational number. Now root 5, root 6, and root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 4 not possible because it has a complete root which is 2, and exceptional case pi is also a irrational number. Now rational number also has two parts. First, integers, and second is fractions. Integers and fractions. Integers, these are also in p upon q form, but q is only equal 1 and a minus 1. It means these are in minus infinity to minus 2, minus 3, sorry, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, plus infinity. These are integers. Now fractions. Fraction also in p upon q form, but there q is always be other than 0, 1 and minus 1. It means denominator is never be 0, 1 and minus 1. These are in a fraction form. For example, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, minus 5 upon 6, 7 upon 5, and up to infinity, and many more example of fractions. Now again repeat it. Maths, our basic thing is digits, which is 0 to 9. These are 10 digits in mathematics, which we can call mathematical alphabets, because from help of these digits we can create any numbers, and numbers are 0, 1, 2, 2 upon 3, root 2, root 5, 16, 17, to many more examples, just infinity. Now numbers are in two types: real numbers 2 upon 3, 3 upon 2, under root 2, 1, 2, 3, minus 4, and etc. may up to infinity. The complex number, these are in iota forms, which value is under root minus 1. Complex number or imaginary numbers, these are not in our syllabus. These are our next classes syllabus, like 11th and 12th. Now our topic is a real number, which is 10th class, first chapter. Real numbers, two types: rational and irrational number. In competitive exams, this is the most question. Pi is always a irrational number. Rational number are in p upon q form. Q does not equal to 0. It means 1, 2, 2 upon 3, minus 3 upon 2, and up to like infinity form. Now rational number. Now irrational number. Irrational number not in p upon q form, just under root 2, under root 3, under root 5, under root 6, and up to infinity. And pi is a irrational number. Under root 4 not possible because it has a complete root which is 2. Same under root 9 not possible, it also has a complete root. Under root 9 is equal 3. Same under root 16 is equal 4. Other than complete roots number, all root are in a irrational numbers. Now rational number has two types, integers and fractions. Integers are in p upon q form, where q is only equal 1 or minus 1. It means minus infinity to plus infinity, yani minus any number of any counting any number of minus and any number of plus counting number. These are in integers. And fractions, these are in p upon q form, and q is not equal to 0, 1 and minus 1. It means 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, minus 5 upon 6, 7 upon 3 and up to infinity. Hope you understand here. Now there is also integers have two types and fractions also has two. Integers and fractions. Integer has two parts. First, whole number, and second, negative numbers. Whole numbers are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to infinity, and negative numbers are minus infinity, minus 3, minus 2, and integers has two parts, whole number which is start from 0 to infinity, and negative number minus infinity to minus 1. Now fractions, it also has two parts. First, proper second, improper fraction. Proper fractions has numerator is less than denominator. It means in this condition p is always less than q. For example, just 2 upon 3, 5 upon 6, minus 7 upon 9 and continue. Next, improper fractions have numerator is greater than denominator. It means 3 upon 2, 6 upon 5, minus 6 upon 5 and many more examples of this. Improper fractions can be changed in a mixed fraction form. How? Just like 3 upon 2 can be changed in 1 by 2. And mixed fraction also changed in a improper fractions form. Now whole numbers. Whole number dividing in two parts. First 0 and second is natural number. Natural number or positive number. They starting 1, 2, 3 to infinity. Now natural number has four parts. First, odd number, which is not divisible by 2, 1, 3, 5, 7 to infinity. Second, even, which is divisible by 2, just like 2, 4, 6, 8 to infinity. Third is prime. Which is divisible by itself and 1. It means prime number has only two factors, 1 and itself, and the first prime number is 2, then 3, 5, 7, 11 up to infinity, and the last part of this is a composite number. And composite number are starting from 4, then 6, 8, 9, 10 to infinity. Now repeat all the charts of a number system. First, number system has two parts. First, real number, second, complex or imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers are in iota form, which is not used in our syllabus. Now real number has two parts. First, rational, second, irrational. Rational number are in P upon Q form, and irrational number not in P upon Q form. Just like under root 2, under root 3, under root 4, not possible because it has a complete root number and which value is a 2, same. And pi is also a irrational sorry, pi is also a irrational number. Now whole number, sorry, pi is also a irrational number. Now rational number dividing in two parts. First, integers, second, fractions. Integers are in P upon Q form, where Q is only 1 and minus 1. And for example, minus infinity, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 to infinity. These are integers. And fractions, these are also in a P upon Q form, but Q is always other than 0, 1 or minus 1. So 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, minus 7 upon 2 and up to infinity. Now integers also has two parts, whole number and negative number. Whole number which start from 0 to continue in numbers is 1, 2, 3 to infinity, and negative number are in negative form, which is minus infinity to minus 1. And fractions has two parts, proper fraction. In proper fractions, numerator is always less than denominator. It means value of p is always less than value of q. Same improper fractions, in this value of p is always greater than value of q. Proper fractions example are 2 upon 3, 5 upon 6, minus 7 upon 9 and many more example of this. Improper fractions example 3 upon 2, minus 6 upon 5 and continues to many more example. Improper fractions can be changed in mixed form, mixed fraction form. How? 3 upon 2 can be changed in 1, 1 upon 2. Mixed fraction can change in improper fractions, and improper fractions can change in mixed fractions. Now whole numbers dividing in two parts. First 0 and second part is a natural or positive number. Natural number is starting from 1, then 2, then 3 and last is a infinity number. Now natural number dividing in four parts. First odd number which is not divisible by 2 called odd number, there is 1, 3, 5, 7 to infinity. Even number which is divisible by 2, then 2, 4, 6, 8 up to infinity. Prime number which is divisible by itself and 1. It means prime number has only two factors, which is 1 and itself. Then examples are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 up to infinity. And last is composite number which is divisible by any numbers other than 1 and itself. then 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and up to infinity. So these are our, so this is our number system chart. Hope you enjoy the video and get some knowledge from this video. If you like it, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay home, keep learning. In next video we are discussing about the real number, which is our first chapter of 10th class. Thank you.